Once you're satisfied with your calendar, it's time to check out. If you're not already logged into Motif, you will be prompted to log in or register if you haven't already created an account with us. Check out our registration video if you need more details on this process. Now you'll see the Order Options menu. Here you can choose the quantity of calendars you want to order, apply a promo code, and see an itemized list of your order. When you're ready, tap Next. Enter the shipping address. Choose your desired shipping method. Now enter your billing address and tap Next. And finally, enter your credit card details. Everything looks perfect? Then tap Place Order. A new window, the Order Summary, will open up displaying all the details of your order. Once your order is placed, you'll receive a confirmation email including your tracking information. Now sit back, relax, and let Motif deliver your photo project to your doorstep.